Hi guys, I'm Pooja and today we'll be doing an Amazon shopping haul. So I was just on the app and I was looking at different stuff, and of course I got sucked into it and ordered a few things. Some of them turned out really amazing and some I was like, really? Anyhow, so I'm going to show you what all I got. It's a complete mix of kitchen stuff, some essentials, some home decor kind of stuff. So let's get started. The first thing that I got is some door mat. It's going to be raining very soon here in Delhi and I really needed some mats for my front balcony door and my back door because I have plants. So whenever I water plants, I bring water with my slippers inside and it's not good. So I got two. One is this really nice striped one. Of course, these mats are lined with rubber from one side and they have this square kind of material on the other. So they're waterproof and I really wanted something simple and durable, so I got this one. It just has black borders. It's really nice, durable, looks quite durable. I haven't used it of course yet. It looks really minimal and French. It was for 1099 and at the moment it's on sale for about 700 rupees, so it's a steal. Second one that I got is this one. This is also a coir and a rubber mat. This looks really pretty and it's big in size as compared to that one. अब इसमें कलर के काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शन थे, but because I wanted it for my garden, I got it in green and I'm really happy. Of course, I haven't started using it yet, but I'm really excited to start using it so that whenever I water my plants, मेरा पूरा घर गीला ना हो. This was a little cheaper. It was for 700 rupees and I think it's sale at the moment. You can get it in various colors. There's blue, there's green, there's pink, there's purple. So you can get whatever color flowers you like and it is really nice, big and durable. Okay, moving on to the first product that I actually wanted to purchase, and इस product के चक्कर में मैंने और बहुत सारी चीज़ें ले ली हैं, which is this dish towel. I really wanted to do some lemon lime kind of themed decor, if I may say so, in my kitchen. So I got this dish towel and it is really nice quality. It's big enough, not extremely big, but it's big enough. It is very pretty. It is cotton and it really absorbs everything and anything. I haven't used it in the kitchen, but I have used it to wipe on the dining table for like water spillage and stuff, and it really works very well. Now this was damn expensive for what it is. I think it was for 300 rupees if I'm not wrong. Let me just quickly check. Yes, so it is for 299 rupees and इस पैक में सिर्फ एक ही आया है, so it is quite expensive for what it is, but I love the colors, I love the print. It's really nice and vibrant. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा vibrant नहीं, but इतना ही vibrant मुझे पसंद है. Looking for a statement kind of kitchen towel for your kitchen, then I highly suggest this one. But अगर आपको रोज़ use करने के लिए kitchen towel चाहिए, then I have another option, which is this. Let me just quickly open it up. A set of 4 dish towels that I got is from a different brand from Amazon, but it's really nice and it has all these spices, mint, thyme, bay leaves drawn on it. ये 4 का set आया था I think for about 200 rupees, which is a really nice deal, keeping in mind कि इनका size भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. So this is something I got and I thought I'll layer this with the other one. So इसको नीचे उसके ऊपर बोरा लगा के काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा, and that is the reason I got these. Right now this particular design is not available, but I am going to link another 1 or 2 below so that you can check out this particular company and buy whatever pattern you like. Alright, next is something that I bought without even thinking. I mean, I don't know why I bought it. It was really interesting and I thought I really need it in my life. This is a pair of scissors and it has multiple blades. So and there are a lot of people who actually chop their dhania and mirchi and all with scissors. So I think ये उसके लिए है. Plus अगर आपको beans वगैरह chop करनी है, it will make your life pretty easy. I'm going to show you. It comes with this scissor which has multiple blades. So ये vegetable chopping के लिए काफ़ी अच्छी है. And इसके साथ एक ये इसकी comb cleaning type thing भी आती है, so that you can just clean everything and use it again. So on the packaging it says, let me see what it says. It says 5 blade stainless steel herb scissors and it can chop, cut herbs. It has very sharp blades, can be used for basil and thyme, and it shows कि आपको कहाँ से कौन सा herb cut करना चाहिए. Of course I haven't used it yet, so I can't give my review, but I'm pretty excited. Let me see how much it costed me. I think it was for about 300 rupees. So it is for 379 rupees, and if you actually like to cook like me, then I think this is a must try at least. Alright, so moving on to some essentials जिसके लिए मैंने ये order actually place करना था, which is some storage containers. So a lot of times we make food या फिर कुछ बच जाता है या फिर कुछ भी, जैसे आपका pre-cut vegetables वगैरह है, salad है, उसको store करने के लिए you need airtight containers. We have quite a few but हमेशा कम पड़ जाते हैं. So I thought I'm going to order some new ones and I got these ones from Borosil. Let me show you. So this is a set of 2 here and I just wanted to see कि इस particular style में if I like it or not. I generally use round ones but I quite like these square ones as well. They come with this plastic lid and these containers you can use for cooking, baking, in the fridge, in the microwave. So these are amazing and I just added these two to my already existing collection. So there are 2 different sizes in this pack and I think this pack was on sale when I ordered, but let me see how much it costs right now. Okay, so I ordered it for 700 rupees and right now it is for 362, which is a great deal for 2 storage containers, keeping in mind that you'll be using them on a daily. So yeah. Okay, so as I mentioned that I wanted to add some storage containers to my kitchen. I saw these ones and I love the idea of having ceramic bowls and उसके ऊपर wooden lids, so I ordered them. Reviews were pretty nice. सब कह रहे थे कि काफ़ी अच्छे airtight containers हैं. Let me see. So this is how they look. There are two containers, both of the same size, and they look pretty nice. Lid is tight but it is not like the tightest lid that I've seen, so it looks pretty nice. This ceramic thing I think is microwave safe. You can put it of course in the fridge, you can put it in the oven and all, so it's really nice. I think these bowls will look really nice for serving. You can keep your salads in this. So yeah, happy with this purchase. You guys posted on if I like this wooden lid on my Rose ka storage containers or not on Instagram, so do follow me there. My handle is Pooja Mittal09. The cost of these 2 was 700 rupees again, which I don't think is bad for a set of 2. So yeah. Before I show you the next product, I really want to explain why I ordered it. So I try and use as less plastic as possible and as more of natural materials as I can. So I of course use all the wooden karchis and all where I'm cooking, and for my masalas also I really needed some wooden spoons, but वो छोटे छोटे वाले जो कहीं मिल ही नहीं रहे थे. But on Amazon I found these set of neem wood spoons which are really great for your spices. It keeps them away from any kind of kiras and all. So I ordered a set of these little spoons. They're very tiny but are very good quality. I love the polish on this. I'm going to tell you how much were these. So these were 300 rupees for a set of 6. I am in love with the quality. They look really nice, they feel luxe, and I think I'm going to order more of these. I'm going to put it in my coffee and जितने भी extra spices के डब्बे हैं, मतलब कुछ भी जो आप daily use करते हो आप इसी से डालिए, and it's really good for your health, and for long run I think it's amazing. So do switch to wooden spoons as much as you can. Get these just for 300 rupees from Amazon. Of course I'll leave links of everything down below so that you can check them out. Alright, so moving on to the product जिससे कि मैं काफ़ी disappointed हूँ. So I just said कि मुझे wooden चीज़ें बहुत पसंद है and I'm trying to switch everything in my kitchen to wooden like spoons and spatulas and things like that. So मुझे चाहिए थे वो जो आटा एंड चावल के लिए scoops होते हैं, and I saw a listing on Amazon and I was really excited to order them and I did. उसमें लिखा था scoops for kitchen and I thought it's going to be respectable size, but this is what I have got for scoops. It's a set of 3 and this is still okay, but I don't think I can pick atta or chawal with this. It's really tiny and these two are super tiny. Disappointed with the size absolutely, but they're so cute that I haven't returned them and I'm going to find a way to use this in my kitchen or somewhere in my house. They are good quality, not as good as the spoons, but they are good enough. So I'm keeping these, but they are not good for atta and all. I think I can use it in some kind of like dry suji and stuff. अगर आप use करते हो तो मैं बहुत use करती हूँ, so I can scoop suji or besan or something with this. So this is a set of 3 and I got them for let me see. So this is a different seller from spoons, and I got this set of 3. It is currently unavailable, okay, but I think I got it for like 400, 300 or 400 something. Is it worth the money? I mean, I don't know. If you want to collect things like these, then yes, but this is not useful for your kitchen. It's cute. If you still want it, I will leave a link to something which is similar. But yeah, okay, now to the last thing of the haul, which is really helpful. I have used this in one of my videos for storage, which are these ziploc bags. I will link the video here and also in my description box, जिसमें कि मैंने दिखाया कि मैं कैसे अपने सारे कपड़े अच्छे से पैक करके रख देती हूँ in these sealable, what's it called, airtight vacuum kind of thingies, and वो बहुत squeeze होके बहुत कम जगह लेते हैं, and you can keep them safely and things like that. So I ordered another one. This is a hanging one, तो आप इसमें अपने कोट वगैरह hang करके you can seal it and vacuum all the air out, and it'll keep your coats and everything very safe. So I ordered this. पहले वाला I managed to break, so I thought I'll order another one. This was on a great deal as well. I think कुछ 1000 रुपए का था ये, and honestly this is totally worth the money. I'm going to tell you how much this was worth for. So this was for $9.99, and as I said, it's completely worth every single penny. If you have storage issues, or if you think that आपके घर में silverfish problem है, कोई भी और problem है, then do use these, and this will make your life very easy. Alright guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you found something which was helpful, and let me know if you are also the same कि आप जब भी Amazon पे जाएं कुछ ना कुछ तो random खरीद ही लेते हैं. So I guess I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.